In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Uber promo code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to stay on top of new deals, and a few smart ways to stack savings without any guesswork. First, open the Uber Eats app and head to Account, then Wallet, and tap Promotions. This is the hub where active discounts and credits appear, and where you can add a promo code if you already have one. If you see an add promo or enter code field, paste your code there and confirm. Uber regularly rotates offers here, including ride discounts, first-time user deals, Uber Eats coupons, and referral rewards. It's also worth checking the official Uber website from time to time, since major announcements and limited-time campaigns often start there. Be sure to note any expiration dates, location restrictions, or minimum order amounts shown with each offer. Next, use referral codes from friends or creators. When you sign up with a referral, you may receive credits or discounts, and the person who shared the code may earn rewards too. If you already have an account, some referrals can still work on your first qualifying ride or first Uber Eats order, depending on the terms. After you're set up, you'll get your own referral code to share. Keep the exact spelling of the code and apply it during sign-up or in the promotion section so it actually attaches to your account. Then follow Uber promotions online. Opt into email newsletters, enable app notifications, and keep an eye on Uber's official social media pages. Flash deals and seasonal campaigns, think holidays, big events, or weekend specials, tend to appear in these channels first and may be time-limited. When you're browsing social posts, stick to verified accounts to avoid expired or unofficial codes, and always redeem through the app or the official site to keep your account secure. Finally, search partner deals and credit card offers. Many banks, mobile wallets, and memberships run Uber-related promotions, such as credit card cashback, mobile wallet promos, student discounts, or food delivery campaigns. Examples commonly include major payment networks and well-known digital wallets, as well as local e-wallets in your region. Open your banking or wallet app and look for a rewards, offers, or perks section, then activate the deal before you request a ride or place an order. Availability varies by country and changes regularly, so read the fine print for eligible services, spend thresholds, and end dates. That's it. Check promotions, use referrals.